Hi everyone, my name is Trisha Kumar and this is my YouTube channel called World of Data. So today we're going to discuss the second project called Uber Eyes Analysis. Now let's get to it. So this is the project done on Jupyter notebook, and this is the Uber dataset.csv. It contains all the data like start date, end date, category, start, stop, miles, and purpose. So now we import pandas, numpy, matplotlib.pyplot, and cbond. I have explained in the previous project video what the uses of these libraries are. Next, we import the dataset called Uber dataset.csv, and we see the dataset.head, which was the first five values in the dataset. Next, we get the dataset dot shape value, that is 1156,7. Next, we get the dataset info values, which allows us to see what data type each column is there. Next, we find out we notice that under purpose, there are a couple of null values, NaN. So we want to remove that, so we use fill NA. After that, we change the start date and end date to the date time format so that it can be further used to do some analysis. Now we import date time. Date time stores an instant in time expressed as a calendar date and time of day. We're going to split the start date to date and time column, and then convert the time into four different categories: morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Next, we're going to use drop NA to drop the unnecessary values, and drop duplicates to drop the duplicate values. Next, we find out all the unique values present in the data set. Now we want to plot subplots, count plots, and xticks. So count plot is used to represent occurrence of the observation present in categorical variable, and xticks allows us to set x-axis tick values. X-axis tick values as in locations along x-axis where the tick marks appear. So this is the count plot where x-axis is count and y-axis, sorry, x-axis is category and y-axis is count. So category as in business and personal, and for purpose versus count, it is entertain, not, errand or supplies, meeting, customer visits, and so on. Next, we want to plot a count plot with x-axis as day and night and y-axis as count, which was morning, afternoon, evening, and night category. Next, we plot another count plot which has purpose and versus count, which is showing meal or entertainment, not errands or supplies, and so on. Then we plot a heat map with miles versus see, miles versus time, and then we finally want to plot a line plot which has x-axis as months and y-axis as value comma count. So line plot shows the frequency a value occurs in the data set. Then finally we want to the second last one is another count plot which has the days of the week versus the count, which shows it from Monday to Sunday. Then it's also arranged from descending order, which shows Friday is the maximum travel. Next, we have a box plot which shows the miles, and the final one is a box plot with miles less than 100, and a distance plot which depicts the variation in the data distribution. So this is density and miles. You guys can access this the code and the dataset from GitHub. So I hope you guys understood this video. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.